In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover deleted photos on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app and then let me just delete some photo. As you can see, the photo has just been removed. However, the key here is that once you have deleted a photo, it is not actually deleted permanently, but moved to the recently deleted album. To find that album, go to Albums, scroll down to the very bottom where we can find the recently deleted. If we get into it, we'll see all the photos we have deleted in the last 30 days. All the photos will stay in this album for 30 days, during which they can be restored. After 30 days, the photos will be deleted automatically and permanently. If you want to restore one single photo, just tap on it and then tap at Recover and then Recover Photo. After that, photo will be moved to your main album. Also, at Recently Deleted, we can immediately remove photo. To do that, just tap on it and then tap at Delete to permanently delete the photo without waiting for 30 days. Also, you can recover multiple photos at once. To do that, tap at Select, then select photos you would like to recover, and then tap at Recover. That's how you can easily recover deleted photos on your iPhone.